In the video for today, I'm going to show you the best method to track a lost or stolen Android phone using its IMEI number. Losing your phone is actually a pain. I do understand that because I have gone through this before and I know how it feels. So let's make this simple, quick and easy for you to understand how you could properly use the IMEI number to track your lost or stolen Android device in 2025. So the best and the legit method to try and track your lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number is to hand over the procedure to a third-party agent or an expert department that can actually take care of it. Okay, so if you are a person who is located in India and you have misplaced your phone, what you could do is you could do a search for IMEI tracker on Google and you're going to get a lot of suggestions. I would not suggest you click on any of these websites. It is just going to be a waste of time. You're just going to find the last location or a location which is not even near to the last location. Click on CEIR. If you're in India, this is the department that you need to request to track your lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number. Now, in order for you to put in a request for these guys to do so, you need to have two important things. The first thing is the invoice for the phone, and the second thing is the FIR or the missing complaint that you had filed in a document format to the local police station after your phone was misplaced. So once you have both these two documents, get onto this portal, and once you're here, you click on CEIR services and you get drop down menu, and then you click on block stolen or lost mobile and you get directed to this page. So this is a form that you need to fill up to request for blocking of lost or stolen phones and tracking of your phone using its IMEI number. So you go ahead and put in your details out here, upload the copy of the FIR, upload the invoice, upload your identity proof. You may have your passport or your Aadhaar card or whatever it is, or your PAN card. Upload it out here, fill up all the details, checkbox this and submit this. Once you submit this form, you are going to get a request ID or a confirmation number or a tracking ID. You need to keep that recorded, and that's going to help you keep a track of their investigation. Any updates you want to find about your lost or stolen Android phone, you get onto this website, click on this option, you get a drop down, click on check request status, and then you put in your request ID or your confirmation number out here, solve the captcha and submit this, and you're going to get a status update for the investigation. So this is going to be useful only if you're in India. If you are from a different country, what you could actually do is you could do a search for lost phone tracking department in the USA. If you are from USA, you can just put in the search term and you're going to get an answer about if you have a department or no. If you do not have, then you have to go ahead and file in a complaint with the local police station itself and take it from there. You could also do a check for lost phone tracking department, maybe Malaysia. If you're from Malaysia, you guys do have a service for tracking your lost or stolen phone. Okay, it's known as PCBS. It's a government department, I'm sure. You could go ahead and look for this website on Google and try and file in a complaint out there and do the same thing as we would do in India for using CEIR. So whatever country you are in, just do a search for a tracking department or a department that helps you to track a lost or stolen phone in your location. It should be a government registered department. Don't go for fake websites or scam websites that ask you for a fee to track your lost or stolen phone. They're just going to rip you off your money and you're not going to get your phone back also. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.